Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you a healthy and tasty recipe of Sooji Besan Dhokla. So let's get started. For this recipe, we need 1.5 cup Bareek Sooji, that is the fine variety of Sooji or Rava, 1.5 cup gram flour, that is Besan, 2 teaspoons sugar, 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, 1 to 2 teaspoon green chilli paste or as per your taste, 1.5 teaspoon citric acid, 8 teaspoon oil. I'm using refined oil here, so not mustard or any oil that has its own flavor, salt as per taste, add water to make a batter of medium consistency. So do not add a lot of water in one go, so gradually add it so that you do not get lumps. This is what the consistency of the batter should be. Keep the batter aside for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, you can prepare your steamer setup, so heat some water and grease your steamer plates with some oil. After resting, if you feel that the batter has become thick, you can add a little water and adjust. Next step is to add baking soda or meetha soda. Add 1.5 teaspoon. Start mixing in one direction for 15 to 20 seconds. Immediately transfer to your dhokla plates. So here I've got 2 plates, medium sized plates. Then place the plates in your steamer. If you want, you can halve the quantity of ingredients and use only one plate to make the dhokla. Cover and steam for 15 minutes between medium to high flame. After that, switch off the flame and let the dhokla rest for 5 minutes before you open the lid. Look at the beautiful texture. Next, I'm going to add tempering, that is tadka, to this dhokla. But before that, I'm adding some water. So this is water mixed with some sugar. So approximately 1/4 cup for 2 plates. This will make the dhokla further moist. Then for the tempering, heat around 2 tablespoon oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add 2 teaspoon mustard, 3 to 4 tablespoon curry leaves and spread it over the dhokla. Then cut the dhokla into squares, or you can cut them diagonally. You can serve this dhokla with some green chutney, any type of green chutney, imli ki chutney. This can be made as a breakfast recipe or as a snack recipe, or you can also have it as your meal if you like. Finally, garnish with some chopped fresh coriander. You wouldn't even need to scrape it out of the plate. It would come off so easily with only 2 or 3 fingers. You can see how I'm taking these out from the plate. Beautiful texture, very light and spongy and very tasty. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!